My dear students, I am Pradeep Kumar, mathematics teacher. I have done 2 videos about the concept of differentiation. You must first attend that videos, then you attend this video. Today we are going to solve some problems and including CBSE questions. Product rule of differentiation. Product rule of differentiation, that is d by ds of uv is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx, where u and v are functions of x. Example, y equal x sin x. X is a function of, x is u and v is sin x, and u and v are functions of x. U is equal to x, v is equal to sin x. We must find out dy by dx. So dy by dx equal, this is u and this is v. So u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. That is product rule of differentiation. We know u is equal to x. Therefore du by dx equal to d by ds of x. d by ds of x equal to 1. We know d by ds of x raised to n equal to nx raised to n minus 1. So d by ds of x is d by ds of x raised to 1. That is 1 into x raised to 1 minus 1. That is 1 into 1. That is 1. d by ds of x equal to 1. Then v is equal to sin x. Therefore dv by dx, d by ds of sin x equal to cos x. dv by ds equal to cos x. Then substitute these values in this equation. That is dy by ds equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. That is dy by dx equal u into dv by dx. u is x. x into dv by ds. dv by ds is cos x. Plus v into, v is sin x, v into du by dx. du by dx is 1. Therefore this is equal to x cos x plus sin x. Hence the answer. Clear? Okay. Next question is, that is y equal to x to the power of sin x is given. Find dy by dx. So we must take logarithm on both sides. Log y equal log x to the power of sin x. We know log a raised to n equal log a raised to n equal n log a. Therefore, this is equal to log y log x raised to sin x. Log a raised to n equal n log a. Therefore, this is equal to sin x log x. Because a is x, n is sin x. So log a raised to n equal to n log a. That is equal to sin x log x. Then dy by ds of d by ds log y equal d by ds of sin x log x. d by ds of log y equal 1 by y d by ds of log y equal 1 by y into dy by dx. We know d by ds of log x equal to 1 by x. So d by ds of log y equal to 1 by y into dy by dx. That is equal to d by ds of sin x log x. We know this is in the form of uv, product rule of differentiation. That is u is equal to sin x, v is equal to log x. Therefore, du by dx equal cos x, dv by dx 1 by x. Therefore, d by ds of sin x log x. Sin x log x is product rule of differentiation we must apply. That is d by ds of uv equal u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Then apply d by ds of u equal to u into, here u is sin x into dv by dx, d by ds of log x, d by ds of log x, that is 1 by x, d by ds of log x, that is 1 by x, dv by dx, that is 1 by x, u into dv by dx plus v into, that is log x into du by dx, du by dx is cos x. Hence, dy by dx equal, bring y to the right hand side. So, y into sin x into 1, sin x by x plus log x cos x. Y is x to the power of sin x. So, this is equal to x to the power of sin x into sin x by x plus log x cos x. Hence the answer. Clear? If you have any doubt in any steps, comment in my comment box. Okay? Next question is, in this question, find the derivative of y with respect to x, where y equal to x to the power of sin x plus sin x to the power of x. This is a board question. See, mathematics is like a weightlifting. We must take 10 kilo, 20 kilo, 30 kilo and 100 kilo at last. Similarly, we had already studied about dy by ds of x to the power of sin x in the last problem. Here, y equal to x to the power of sin x plus sin x to the power of x. So, this is in the form of y is equal to u plus v, where u and v are functions of x. U is equal to x to the power of sin x. Take logarithm. Therefore, log u is equal to log x to the power of sin x. That is log a raised to n equal to n log a. So, this is equal to sin x log x. Then differentiate. So, 1 by u du by dx equal, this is in the form of uv, that is product rule. That is u into dv by dx, that is sin x into dv by dx, that is d by ds of log x, that is 1 by x plus v into, that is log x into dv by ds, that is u into dv by dx, plus v into du by ds, that is d by ds of sin x cos x. Therefore, du by dx equal u into, bring u to the right hand side. So u into sin x into 1 by x, that is sin x by x plus log x cos x, that is equal to, u is x to the power of sin x. So x to the power of sin x into sin x by x plus log x cos x, that is du by dx. Clear? That is du by ds equal x to the power of sin x into sin x by x plus log x cos x. Here v is equal to sin x to the power of x. Take logarithm. Log v equal log sin x to the power of x. That is in the form of log a raised to n. Log a raised to n equal to n log a. Therefore, this is equal to x log sin x. Differentiate. So, d by ds of log v equal 1 by v into dv by dx equal product rule, u into dv by dx, that is x into d by ds of log sin x, that is 1 by sin x into cos x plus u into dv by dx plus v into, that is log sin x du by ds of, that is d by ds of x, that is 1. That is 1 by v into dv by dx equal x into 1 into cos x, cos x by sin x plus log sin x into 1, that is log sin x. Then bring v to the right hand side. Therefore, dv by dx v into x into cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x equal cot x. Cos x by sin x equal cot x. Therefore, x into cot x plus log sin x. That is equal to v. V is sin x to the power of x. Sin x to the power of x into x cot x, x cot x plus log sin x. Clear? dv by ds equal to sin x to the power of x into x cot x plus log sin x. Therefore, dy by dx equal du by dx plus dv by dx. We must substitute du by dx and dv by dx. Then we will get dy by dx. That is equal to du by dx equal x to the power of sin x into sin x by x, sin x by x plus log x cos x plus dv by dx. dv by dx equals sin x to the power of x into x cot x plus log sin x. Hence the answer. Clear? Okay. Next question is, this question is y equal to e to the power of x divided by sin x. Find dy by dx. We know this is in the form of u by v. We know quotient rule of differentiation, that is d by ds of u by v, where u and v are functions of x. d by ds of u by v equal v into du by dx. d by ds of u by v equal v into du by ds minus u into dv by dx whole divided by v square. This is known as quotient rule of differentiation. So here u is equal to e to the power of x. Then du by dx. du by ds equal d by ds of e raised to x, e raised to x. Then v is equal to sin x. Therefore, dv by dx equal cos x. Then substitute these values in this equation. Therefore, d by ds of e raised to x by sin x equal v into du by dx. v into du by ds. v is equal to sin x into du by ds. du by ds equal to e raised to x minus u into u is equal to e to the power of x. u into dv by ds. dv by ds equal to cos x whole divided by v square. v is equal to sin x. Therefore, v square equal sin x into sin x, sin square x. Therefore, this is equal to e to the power of x into, take e to the power of x outside, sin x minus cos x whole divided by sin square x. Hence the answer. Clear? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Now this video completed. In next video we will do very important questions including board questions. Study very well. Practice, because mathematics is like a weightlifting. You must practice every day. Then mathematics will give you 100 marks. Wish you all the best. Next video, we will discuss difficult questions. Clear? Thank you.